Good morning, dear CMA intern and CMA final students. This video is all about the studyverse and revision examination batches that we're offering for the upcoming December 2023 examinations. My dear students, the batch will commence on 1st of October 2023 for old syllabus. I mean to say 2016 syllabus, and the first examination for those students will be on October 4, 2023. Whereas for the new syllabus students, the batch will commence on September 29, 2023 itself, and the first examination will be on September 30, 2023. So this is all about the offline studyverse and revision examination batches that we offer for CMA Inter and CMA Final for the upcoming December 2023 examinations. Apart from that, we do have hostel facility at Nellore branch of Masterminds, Vijayawada, Tirupati, and Dilshuk Nagar of Hyderabad branch of Masterminds. And of course, we have hostel facility at Guntur campus also. The only difference is in case of branches, we have only girls hostel facility, whereas in case of Guntur campus, we have both boys and girls hostel facility. And another important issue is, or another important information is, we have a system called CRS, Complete Residential System, where there will be absolute restrictions on usage of cell phones. So the students of CMA Inter will be allowed to use their cell phone only for 2 hours a day, that too only to attend their office mails or to watch their online coaching classes. In case of CMA final students, the students will be permitted to watch their video cell phones or to use their cell phones only for 3 hours a day, and our services for these batches will be up to December 17, 2023, for the reason that the exam schedule are being given and the last exam was scheduled to be on December 17, 2023. So offline batches are available, and of course online batches are also available. And I'm attaching a old video with this video explaining what is the difference between the offline studyverse batches being conducted by Masterminds versus many other coaching institutions. And of course, I'm also attaching another old video which offers a comparison between the MMTS Masterminds test series versus the test series being offered by many other institutions. Have a happy learning. If at all, if you want to contact me, you can contact me at msnmohan2013@gmail.com. And of course, you can reach our helpline numbers at 9885125 9885125 and 26 and 98851 25001 and 03. By the way, we have a dedicated free doubts clarification group both for CA Inter and CMA Inter students put together, and for CMA final and CA final students put together. I'll just show you that doubts clarification group also. So these are the dedicated doubts clarification groups for CA Inter and CMA Inter put together. So any student having any kind of doubt can post the query, and within a reasonable time our team members will address the doubt. Similarly, we have an exclusive doubts clarification group for CA and CMA final students as well. So I'm going to leave the Telegram link, or the link for this Telegram group. I'm going to leave the link for this Telegram group in the description of this video. So do find the link for the Telegram channel or the Telegram group where you can post your doubts for CA and CMA Inter, or for CA and CMA, or for CA and CMA final. Have a happy learning. Thank you very much. Offline mode, and you may have it out. So what are the services that we are going to offer? Going to offer? Let us suppose that you have taken admission for the physical studyverse and revision examination batches. Then what are the services that we are going to offer? We give a schedule on day one itself containing the micro schedule relating to the areas to be covered or areas to be studied by the student on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, like such. So on the first day itself, the student will be given a roadmap, a micro schedule. So covering the day 1 to day 150 days schedule will be given on upfront basis, which is missing with many other institutions offering similar kind of revision exams and studyverse. And will conduct the studyverse from morning 8 a.m. to night 9 p.m. subject to certain breaks. and we conduct the revision examinations. See, we don't just ask the students to come and sit in the classroom and study on their own. That is absolutely unprofessional. Our services will not be limited to making the students to sit and study on their own. We never do it. We give a schedule, we conduct the study hours, and we even conduct the revision examinations on weekly twice basis in case of both group students and weekly once in case of single group student. And of course, immediately after completion of the examination, we even share the suggested answers. We even provide the suggested answers so that the students can have a self-evaluation. Self-valuation, which is very much required for a great success in professional courses like CA and CMA. And within 2 weeks of the completion of the examination, we do the valuation of the answer sheets, and we even return the valuation answer sheets containing the comments being made by the valuationer. And apart from that, we even issue the performance report and also the valuation report to the student. We even issue the performance report as well as the valuation report to the students. And guidance videos will be played in the classrooms, recorded by the senior faculty or the senior academician by name Prakash sir, who is the head of our academic department, having a rich experience of more than 20 years. And of course, the motivation classes recorded by the directors team will also be played in the classrooms. And apart from the examinations in the descriptive mode, we even conduct the examinations in MCQ mode also. So examinations will not be limited to descriptive mode. We even conduct the examinations on MCQs also. And as a complementary, as a unique feature, as a complementary, we even provide free rapid revision batch videos for selective subjects. Subject to certain rules and regulations, to all the students whosoever join the physical study hours and revision examinations. And we even recruit many number of staff members like class in charge, batch in charge, academic in charges, campus in charges, admin principals to monitor the study hours, to ensure that the study hours are being conducted in a properly manner. And of course, if possible, I'm not sure of this, but if possible, we even provide the supporting faculty for counseling of the probable failures. So these many number of services, don't think that we just provide you a classroom and we ask you to sit and study on your own. That is quite unprofessional. See, that is the reason we don't do such things. That is the reason every year thousands of students, either at foundation level or inter level, at final level of CA and CMA courses, at least 5,000 students will join for studies and revision examination batches, either in offline or online mode. And please do note that majority of these services are also available for MMTA students also. That is whosoever, that is the students who are attending the revision examinations in online mode also. I just want to take another 2 minutes of your valuable time before I conclude. And what are the differences? You may ask a question. An interesting question. Mohan sir, these study hours and revision examination batches services are available at some of the other coaching centers as well. Of course, at some study halls and libraries also. What are the differences between masterminds and the other study halls or other coaching centers which are offering the similar kind of study hours and revision examinations? Yes, it's a valid question. Let me take another 2 minutes, another 2 minutes. Please do watch this video till the end. So in case of the study hours in physical mode at masterminds, and of course, I don't say that all these things will happen at all the study halls and all the other coaching centers. This may happen with some other study halls and with some other coaching centers. So comparison table between masterminds and some other study halls or some other coaching centers. The first one, in case of our study halls, which are run by masterminds, only the CA students will be allowed to come and sit, or else the CMA students. And in case of Guntur, we have exclusive campuses for CA final as well as for CA inter students also. We don't even allow the students of CA inter to come and sit along with CA final. Absolutely, only the CA and CMA students will be allowed to come and take the services of study hours and revision examination. Whereas in case of some other institutions or some other study halls or libraries, students of all courses like competitive exams, BTech or CA and CMA students will be there. So you can't find a focused study environment. You can't find a focused study environment. And we give a schedule, a macro schedule, whereas the same may not be possible with some other study halls or some other coaching centers. And we even conduct the revision examinations on weekly twice basis, which may not be possible here. And we even share the suggestions, we even share the valuation report, the performance report. The same is not available with the private study halls or some other private coaching centers. And we even provide counseling sessions by the supporting faculty for the probable failures. We even provide free motivation classes by the respected concerned faculty or the academic head of masterminds, that is Mr. Prakash sir. And of course, I even conduct motivation classes to the students, and which may not be available with many other coaching centers or many other study halls. Now, coming to the last example, I just want to share even this example also. In case you're studying in a study hall or in some other private coaching center, so they may not even review your performance. They may not even review attendance also. Whereas in case of masterminds, say for example, you haven't attended for the study hours on November 18. Let us suppose that you haven't attended for the study hours on November 18. Immediately you'll get a call from our team members. You'll be inquired. You'll be followed. You'll be inquired. You'll be followed. And the last one. So what are the differences between the Masterminds test series, that is online revision examinations, and the test series being offered by many other institutions? Okay. So differences between Masterminds test series and some other test series. See, we'll be conducting the study hours and revision examinations not just in online mode but also in offline mode. So the expertise knowledge will be different if we conduct the revision examinations and study hours both in online and offline mode, which may not be available with many other test series providers. And we give a schedule. With not just the conducting the examinations, we give a micro schedule, and we even share the question papers at a prescribed time. Say for example, you'll be having an examination on December 8th. You'll be given the access to the question paper only on December 8th, that too 15 to 30 minutes prior to the commencement of the examination. And after completion of your examinations, immediately you need to scan your answer sheet and you need to send it. And we even do the valuation. We even share the valuation report. We even share the suggested answers, which may not be available with many other test series. And not just in the descriptive mode, we even conduct the revision examinations in objective mode also. And separate and unique schedules are available for both groups and single group students. And we follow a meticulous process for preparation of the question papers and offering valuation services, which may not be available with many other test series providers. So these are the main points, and we even share the valuation report. We even share the performance report in case of MMTS, the Masterminds test series. So these are the main points. So before I conclude, thanks a lot for showing the highest level of patience, and thanks for watching the video, the entire video. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and happy to serve you. If at all, if you want, reach us. You can reach our team members at 9885125001 or 03, or else you can reach me at msnmohan2013 @gmail.com. Have a happy learning. God bless you. Thank you.